my name is Chuck Yarbrough. Welcome to my solar install with Energy Advantage Roofing. So the problem we were having to deal with was just energy costs going up. The bill was going up, and it went up $100, and I'm just assuming it's going to go up more. So this is a way to hedge our bets and keep costs the same. So hopefully now it's just going to be paying off the solar panels through the loan, so it's a fixed cost, and we know what we're going to be paying for energy to power our house. I discovered Energy Advantage through lots of research, Googling, and just figuring out and talking to a lot of companies too. I just got quotes from multiple companies, and Sean did a great job explaining technology and how it works and how the install process is, and went with them just because they had the most inclusive package and coverage after the install. Communication and full disclosure, like they were always on the phone or texting and emailing when they're going to be here, what's the next step, what's going to be expected, and everything went smoothly. It was great, so I guess it would be a 10, but I've never done a solar install before, so it's based on the one install, it was good. And I didn't have any problems with any of the workers, any of the loan stuff. It was very clear and concise and good.
Yeah, this is my community. This is one of my favorite things about what I get to do. To get to meet good people like this who are actually my neighbors. And I get to meet good people and be able to walk them through saving money in the future. Because ultimately, we already know Excel's not really looking at us and our best interests. So it's good to see lasting change in the community, and also saving a buck. Never hurts.
Ooh, that's a good question. I think you should always talk to them. You got to do your own research, but they're always there to give you information, whether you go with them or not. Just look at the whole package, not just the install or the technology, but they have to be a partner with you going forward after the install.
The only thing really to go over there for now is like Christie Sports or DSW.
Energy Advantage Roofing.
Yeah, hey, my name is Charles, and welcome to my solar install with Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar.
Man, I'm going to mess that up.
Yeah, it's okay. Say it in your own way.
We should ask the question and wait for silence and then go?
Exactly, yeah, because we're not going to have the audience.
Don't screw this up.
Yeah, we'll just do it again and it'll take longer.